Alright, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to Luna Classic update today. So there's this very small pattern right now that is playing out for Luna Classic, and I do believe that you're looking for a very small push to 10,876. So this may be a scalping, and the scalp can actually give you a nice 8% move to the upside. So you basically, I was looking at Luna Classic yesterday. I couldn't make an update. I've been a little bit late with this one, but yes, you do have 1, 2, 3, 4, a break above here, and this probably is looking for a push back up to 10,864. I believe that 10,864 may be a target that can be met. Reason being is, this one has been down, very down, and this is probably just a bounce back up here, but doesn't really invalidate the fall down to maybe 6658. It doesn't really invalidate. I have a stop of invalidation up at 12,997. So I believe if you try to come up for Luna Classic all the way up here, then that could really invalidate the move that is expected to go down there at the moment, because the flag is intact on the daily, and as long as it's intact, it's in play, and when it's in play, you probably just want to be careful. And that's pretty much all about Luna Classic. Just a quick update today, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.